welcome to our news at 1 here at Uzuri TV, where we unfold what have been happening. My name is Esther Gishohe. First, let's get into highlights. PS Mary Muthoni meets the heads of the public health departments from various counties. Martha Karua accuses government of ignoring Kenyan struggles. On to our top stories. The Public Health Secretary Mary Muthoni has held a meeting with the heads of public health departments from various counties in the country to assess the level of preparedness against the Ebola virus and at the county level. The meeting came as the government is strengthening preparedness measures against the deadly Ebola virus, with the public health departments putting in place strategies that will enable regular reporting, situation analysis, as well as readiness to handle any case that may be reported, stressing that Kenya has yet to confirm any Ebola case. Muthoni urged public health officials to ensure that health workers in various areas, especially at border checkpoints, remain vigilant to identify and report suspected cases early. This comes as Ebola infections in the DRC have reached 452 with 82 deaths, while Uganda has reported 15 cases and 1 death.
When you mention it, but these are just healing centers or observation centers. So we are very, very lucky because we have laboratories that are respectable and that can also deal with issues of viral diseases. So we must always be on high alert and prepare to identify, one, the carriers and those suspected to be infected, accurate and rapid laboratory confirmation of suspected infection and their locations.
Elsewhere, PLP leader Martha Karua has accused the government of ignoring challenges of Kenyans in the national budget estimates expected to be presented on Thursday. Karua warns that the widening gap between projected expenditure and targeted revenue collection will force the National Treasury to borrow more. She was speaking at the party's headquarters in Nairobi.
There is no need of boasting that we have the largest budget ever when what we have is the largest deficit ever, which is going to cause the pain of more borrowing. Already we are strained by debt repayment. Why would we spend beyond our means and increase the debt? Let us start with discipline, spend what we can raise. And yes, the previous financial year, the budget was just close to 4 trillion, and we raised about 3.6 trillion. It leaves a small gap.
CFAO Mobility Kenya has taken a controlling stake of 99.4% in Thika-based Kenya vehicle manufacturers KVM after investing 2.4 billion shillings in the assembler. The injection of new capital by CFAO resulted in a major dilution of its partner CMC Holding and the National Treasury, which now holds 0.3% each in KVM. For decades, the assembler's top shareholder was the National Treasury, and with a 35% stake, followed by CMC Holding at 32.5% and DT Dobby at 32.5%. DT Dobby and Toyota Kenya merged in April 2023 to create CFAO, which inherited the KVM stakes and in 2024 took the first step to raise its ownership by investing 882 million shillings in the assembler. CFAO, which sells Toyota, Hino, and Mercedes among other brands, made an additional investment of 1.6 billion shillings in KVM that has led to the current ownership structure. That's the end of our news at 1 here at Uzuri TV. My name is Esther Gishohe. Have a good day.